Your heart is pounding. Your chest feels tight. Suddenly, it's as if the world is closing in. You're gasping for air, but there's nothing wrong with your lungs. That's the strange trick anxiety attacks play on your body. Your brain fires an emergency alarm when there isn't even a fire. And here's the shocking part. While anxiety can feel terrifying, there are simple, proven techniques that can calm it almost instantly. Let's break this down without the medical mumbo-jumbo. Imagine your brain as the smoke detector in your house. It's designed to keep you safe. But sometimes, instead of warning you about a real fire, it freaks out when someone just burns toast. That's an anxiety attack, your body's alarm system going haywire. The symptoms? Oh, they're sneaky. One moment you're fine, the next moment you feel dizzy, sweaty, restless, or like your heart is sprinting a marathon you never signed up for. And because anxiety attacks can mimic heart problems, people often panic even more, which throws gasoline on the fire. But here's the good news. You can train that alarm system to chill out, and the techniques are way simpler than you think. Symptom number 1, the racing heart. You feel your chest thump like it's about to break free. That's your body flooding itself with adrenaline. It's your built-in fight-or-flight system, but there's no tiger chasing you. Symptom number 2, the tight chest. It feels like someone's squeezing your ribs with a vice. This is just your muscles tensing up because your body thinks danger is near. Symptom number 3, the dizzy head. Lightheadedness, blurred vision, or feeling like the room is spinning. This is your breathing pattern changing, pulling oxygen in too quickly. Symptom number 4, the sense of doom. The scariest part isn't physical. It's the sudden thought that something terrible is happening right now. That's your brain's storytelling department working overtime. Natural technique number 1, the 4-7-8 breath. Here's the fastest way to slam the brakes on panic. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. This forces your body to reset, slows your heart rate, and convinces your alarm system that the fire is out. But breathing isn't the only secret weapon hiding in plain sight. Natural technique number 2, the cold splash trick. Grab some cold water and splash your face or hold an ice cube in your hand. The sudden cold activates something called the diver reflex, which instantly slows your heart rate and calms your nervous system. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your brain. Still, calming your body doesn't always mean sitting still. Natural technique. Number 3, the grounding game, 5-4-3-2-1. When your thoughts spiral, yank them back with this trick. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you can taste. It works because your brain can't obsess over imaginary dangers while focusing on the real world in front of you. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Natural technique number 4, the power walk. Yes, literally walk it off. Movement signals your body to burn off that extra adrenaline instead of letting it bounce around your bloodstream. Even a brisk 2-minute walk around the room can stop anxiety from spiraling. And if you think walking is too simple, wait till you hear this one. Natural technique number 5, the whisper trick. When panic makes your thoughts loud, counter it by whispering calming phrases to yourself. Softly saying, "I'm safe. This will pass," actually helps your brain believe it. The gentle tone mimics how a parent calms a scared child, except this time you're the parent and the child all in one. The big picture, so let's recap. Anxiety attacks might feel unstoppable, but your toolkit is stronger than you think. You've got the 4-7-8 breath, the cold splash, the grounding game, the power walk, and the whisper trick. Each of them works by tricking your brain into realizing there's no actual fire to fight. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment, expensive therapy apps, or endless waiting. These techniques work anywhere, on a crowded bus, at your desk, or even in the middle of the night. So the next time anxiety tries to hijack your body, the question is, which one of these hacks will you try first? Drop it in the comments, because your answer might just help someone else find relief too.